My name is Adam. This is a quick review of the rubber sport rolls from Great Mats. This is the half-inch thick version, the 10% gray fleck. I must say it's extremely heavy, so be cautious of that. Installation was smooth. Again, it's heavy, very heavy to move around and to maneuver and whatnot, but with a helping hand, it can be done. Just have a very sharp razor blade, a straight edge, you should be good to go. Measure twice, cut once. But shipping was absolutely lightning fast. I ordered on a Thursday, I received the following Thursday, it came on a pallet. Caitlin from Great Mats was great, very responsive, very knowledgeable. She made sure everything was taken care of quickly and promptly. So awesome floor. I'll give you a close-up of the fit and finish. As you can see, these are 4 feet wide, but you can't see the seams. Side by side, they line up absolutely perfectly, and you cannot see the seam even if you are close down to the floor. You still cannot see the seam. Highly recommended. I went with Great Mats because of the fantastic reviews and the quick shipping. Awesome product overall, highly recommended. Great Mats. Thank you.